In this video, I'll detail how to stop Siri from reading messages. So by default, Siri won't read your message or announce your message except if this is turned on. And if you mistakenly turn this on or someone did without your permission, then this video is going to show you how you can easily stop Siri from reading your message or messages whenever you have them. So if you're done with this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, if you want to stop Siri from reading messages on your iPhone, is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. Now once you select the notifications, under notifications, scroll down and click on announce notifications. You can see Siri. Under Siri, click on announce notifications. If you have other functions where you pre-configured that your Siri announces, then you just need to scroll down here and click on messages, then turn this off. Otherwise, if you want Siri to stop announcing all notifications on your iPhone, when you have headphone or when you have your AirPod on, just go ahead and disable announce notifications. And once that is disabled, all the announce notifications on Siri and the submenu will be disabled. So that is basically how you can easily stop Siri from reading messages on your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.